we gave a POC, proof of concept, wherein we were able to tap into a specific blood dilation machine, which is like a dialysis machine, from a very big brand, and we said we can cross-integrate and integrate the data. So without anything, we were able to tap into the dialysis machine, and we were counting how many patients were coming in, what was the performance done, whether there is a change of filter which is required, whether existing filter has been done, whether there was a contamination from cross-contamination from a different patient altogether. So that means your hospital will actually evolve into a state-of-art actionable piece wherein everything is performing on top notch, and the AI will make sure it is highlighting the leakages, and at the same time it is giving you that kudos job to say, you know what, this is your asset which is outperforming. This area is performing in a very good way. This is your revenue gainer, and this is where you're bleeding big time. I mean, what more do you need as a business owner that somebody can give you this insight? Because you as a business owner,
like everything is being done already.
Yes.
Like you have the results.
Yes.
You have the results, and khalas, you need to take the action and you are done. Like many mishaps has been, यानी बहुत सारे ऐसी चीजें जो होने से पहले ही रोक दी गई हैं, right?